Hello, so today we'll be doing an experiment. The experiment is egg in the jar or egg in a bottle. So this experiment uses you just need bottle or conical flask, a hard-boiled egg, right, newspaper or toilet tissue paper, and your lighter. So this experiment uses atmospheric pressure because when you put a hard-boiled egg on top here, right, it can't go in because the hole is too small. So you need use atmospheric pressure because the air travels from a higher pressure outside here to a lower pressure inside the bottle, and it will force the egg to go inside the bottle. So first you just need to use your tissue paper or newspaper or anything, and simply light the tissue paper with fire. Let's light it up lah. Alright, just light it up and you put it inside. Okay, and you put your egg. So what's happening now is the inside of the tissue paper, the fire is gone, right? So basically what's happening is when there's fire inside the bottle, and tada, the egg is inside. You see? Okay, so basically what happened is when the tissue paper is lit, right, the air inside the bottle here expands. It gets heated and expands, and it creates a higher pressure inside, right? But when you put the egg on top, the air will try to escape, but it will not all will escape lah, some will escape. And then once when the fire is gone from the tissue paper, stops heating up, the air inside here cools down and it will contract. So when it contracts, then the air inside here is a lower pressure. So as atmospheric pressure, right, the air travels from a higher pressure to a lower pressure. The air from outside here will actually try to go in, try to force itself inside the bottle, which is a low pressure. Thus the egg will be forced into the bottle, right, as you can see. Actually, because my egg is too big lah, you can use a smaller egg, or try to find a bottle with a bigger hole. So the egg will actually be forced inside. That's why it took quite some time. And yeah, that's basically the experiment lah. That is to show how the air moves from a higher to a lower pressure region. And actually, if your egg were to still be intact, right, and you want to remove it, you know, instead of cutting up the bottle or breaking your conical flask, you can just reverse the process. What you can do is you blow air into your jar or your bottle, and then when you blow air, right, the air, the pressure will start building up behind the egg, right? So it creates a higher pressure, and the outside here is actually lower pressure. So what that will do is it will force the egg out of the bottle. So actually mine, you can't work, it won't work lah, because the egg is already destroyed. So yeah, I mean, it's a fun little experiment you can try, and that's the basics of it. Thank you.